boys and girls, gonna try and put this lovely shelf that we made in the back. So to cover all this ugliness, let's do it. Guys, without any exaggeration, it's an absolute motherfucker to fit this, because you have to line up all these clips and then somehow at the same time push them in. Oh my god, let's keep trying. Okay, quick tip, don't put the seats in before you put the shelf in. The shelf goes in first. So pull them back, whack it in and wedge it back in. Alright, the shelf is in place with our sexy new speakers. We're gonna put red covers on it, which are gonna look cool, I think. So now you need to push the seats in back really hard. Really hard. Okay, now they're gonna go back in now. Guys, if you're having trouble shoving the seat back in on a hook, like I just did, see all the sweat, I've been fucking around in here for about half an hour. Just put a long bar in here, pull it back, and then it'll bite onto the hook easier, and just you know, push it. So get in there slowly. Yo, so after a lot of wrestling, check this out, baby. Woo, nice and comfortable here. Man, you probably can't see shit, but here you go. The seats are all installed. Here, let me show you better.